Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a spin wheel in Wix website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Wix website or this website, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Smart Target, just go to this web page, and after you go to that web page, just click apps demo right here on the top side, and after that just go down until you find this section right here. And as you can see right here on the left side, just find lucky wheel. So this is the lucky wheel button, as you can see on the screen. So just find this one, and as you can see, if I click this one, this right side or this option will appear, and I can just input all the information that I want right here, and it includes the content of the lock spin wheel. And after inputting all information, I can just click connect app to your site. And after that, I just need to input my Wix website URL right here. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste it right here and continue to integration. And yeah, that's it. So I just need to sign up first on Smart Target. And after signing in my account, as you can see, the Smart Target will give me a code that I can copy and paste to my Wix website CSS. So as you can see, the instruction is paste the above right code above the closing body code in the Wix website CSS. So I don't know how to edit the CSS Wix website, but if you know, just copy the embed code that is given by the Smart Target and just paste it right on the your website CSS. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add a lucky spin wheel on Wix website. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.